Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 severe weather outlook. We have a slight risk for severe weather today, covering extreme southeastern New Mexico and western Texas. Here's in today's slate include Laredo, Texas, Midland, Texas, Odessa, Texas, San Angelo, Texas, and Del Rio, Texas. And there are four marginals today, one covering parts of Texas and southeastern New Mexico. A second marginal today covers a little bit of Idaho, western Montana, and far northwestern Wyoming. The third marginal today covers southeastern North Dakota, northeastern South Dakota, much of Minnesota, far northeastern Iowa, and central Wisconsin. And the fourth marginal today covers parts of central Kentucky. Here's in today's marginals include San Antonio, Texas, Austin, Texas, Minneapolis, Minnesota, Corpus Christi, Texas, and St. Paul, Minnesota. Going to today's tornado threat, there is a 5% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses a little bit of Texas. Here's in the 5%, the only city like it in the 5% tornado risk area is Del Rio, Texas. And there are two areas where we have a 2% chance for isolated tornadoes today. One covering parts of Texas and southeastern New Mexico, and the second 2% today covers parts of Kentucky. The 2% tornado risk areas today include San Antonio, Texas, Lexington, Fayette, Kentucky, Midland, Texas, Odessa, Texas, and San Angelo, Texas. And now for today's wind threat, there is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today, covering parts of Texas. The 15% wind risk area today includes Laredo, Texas, Midland, Texas, Odessa, Texas, San Angelo, Texas, and Del Rio, Texas. And there are four areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. One covering southeastern Texas and parts of Texas and southeastern New Mexico. Another covering a little bit of Idaho, far northwestern Wyoming, and western Montana. The third 5% wind risk today covers southeastern North Dakota, northeastern South Dakota, much of Minnesota, far northeastern Iowa, and central Wisconsin. And the fourth 5% today covers parts of Kentucky. The 5% wind risk areas today include San Antonio, Texas, Austin, Texas, Minneapolis, Minnesota, Corpus Christi, Texas, and St. Paul, Minnesota. Now to the hail threat, there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, covering parts of Texas and far southeastern New Mexico. Sorry, my eyes is acting up, guys. Just bear with me. If you hear a wheeze, don't worry. It's just my asthma. I'm used to it. Anyway, cities in the 15% wind risk area today include Midland, Texas, Odessa, Texas, San Angelo, Texas, Del Rio, Texas, and Hobbs, New Mexico. There are three areas where we have a 5% hail risk today. One covering parts of Texas and southeastern New Mexico. The second 5% hail risk today covers a little bit of Idaho and western Montana. The third 5% hail risk today covers southeastern Minnesota, extreme northeastern Iowa, and central Wisconsin. The 5% hail risk areas today include San Antonio, Texas, Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Lubbock, Texas, and Laredo, Texas. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 2 on the hail intensity index. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. Really? The black dashed area is the highest potential for 2-inch hail or larger today within the black dashed area. Alright? So I'm not saying there can't be 2-inch hail outside the black dashed area. I'm not saying there can't be 2-inch hail outside the black dashed area. It's just the highest potential for the 2-inch hail will be within the black dashed area. But like I said, it doesn't mean it can't happen outside the black dashed area in a very isolated case. Alright? Areas outside the black dashed area, areas outside the black dashed area, but still in a hail risk, are mainly looking at hail of 1 inch to maybe 1.5 inches in diameter. Alright? Cities in the black dashed area today include Midland, Texas, Odessa, Texas, San Angelo, Texas, Del Rio, Texas, and Hobbs, New Mexico. Alright, in summary, thunderstorms with large hail, severe wind gusts, and a couple of tornadoes are expected this afternoon and evening across parts of west and southwest Texas. Isolated severe gusts and a marginal tornado threat will be possible in parts of Kentucky. Isolated severe wind gusts, isolated severe gusts and hail may also occur in parts of the upper Midwest and northern Rockies. So, that's your day 1 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas today. Stay safe in the affected areas today. Even the marginal, because sometimes marginal can produce some pretty strong storms, and you don't know what the heck marginal can pull off sometimes. But especially be safe in the slight. Be especially safe in the slight. Because you never know what slight can pull off either. You never know what slight can pull off either. And that will have my day 2 severe weather outlook this afternoon. Take care.